Hi, my name is Gert Sarlet. I'm the product line manager with Finisar for our coherent transceivers and integrated coherent components. We're here at ECOC in Rome, Italy, where we are demonstrating our 64Gbaud integrated tunable transmit and receive assembly. So the ITTRA is a miniature assembly that consists of an optical sub-assembly with the transmit and receive optics and a small controller board for the control of the OSA. In the optical sub-assembly you have all the key building blocks of an analog coherent optics interface, a tunable laser, modulator, driver, coherent mixer and TIAs. The version that we're showing here at the show supports spectral shaping, multiple modulation formats at symbol rates up to 64Gbaud. The device is full C-band tunable and supports flex grid, and it has very low power dissipation. The applications for this device is either very high density line card designs, coherent line card designs, or it is very easily integrated into a digital coherent optics pluggable module. So the ITTRA sits here on the evaluation board. We have the data being generated by a digital signal processor on its own evaluation board at the back. So data comes from the DSP to the ITTRA. It's transmitted on a single wavelength over single mode fiber, received, and then it's recovered by the digital signal processor. The screen on the right hand side shows the constellation diagram, 16-QAM constellation. We're running at 64Gbaud, which means we're transmitting 400 gigabits of data. The screen on the left-hand side shows a live view of the constellation and the bit error rate as recovered by the DSP, and it's running error-free. In summary, we're demonstrating the industry's first 64Gbaud fully integrated coherent optical sub-assembly, which will really facilitate the development and manufacturing of a digital coherent optics module. If you want further information, please contact your Finisar sales representative or send us an email at sales@finisar.com.